Hey YouTube, Magnificent again. Today we are going to be giving the vehicle some mascara. We're going to be putting on some Vortex generators. So pull on tight, let's get it going. You put on Vortex generators in the tail end of a vehicle. It helps with wind and all that, you know, for racing and the like. And I actually tried it on a Silverado I had a long time ago just to, you know, see what it looked like, and it didn't look too bad. I didn't want to make it look all kiddie, but it actually added to the beefy, tough look. So I'm going to throw this on there, and if it looks terrible, I'm going to rip it out. So wish me luck. Whenever you're installing something that's adhesive, wipe it off. So I'm just going to do that real quick. It just helps the adhesion, and long term I'm sure it would work anyway, but you never know. All right. Now, I don't like to do anything permanent until I've verified. So I'm going to just kind of see what it look like. It's going to kind of fall off, but I think it'll look good. So I'm going to go ahead and try it now. So it's real simple, most of them. You peel the adhesive off on one side, so these two pieces are separate. I pulled the one side off, and I'm going to peel the green part off and put it on. I can't do it with two hands, or with one hand. So you got to be cognizant of the weather and the temperature, because you want to make sure it's decent enough where you can have this adhesive go through. Typically you want to measure and all that stuff. This is probably going to be uneven. I did it last time long ago this way, and it worked out okay enough where it wasn't that bad, but I'm seeing I'm a little off, but not too bad as well. Something you also want to be cognizant of is how many you have. I obviously started off too close here, so I'm gonna have to get another one to do that as well. So hard to see from a distance unless you're up top, but here it is, guys. It's tough to, obviously I'm missing this right here. I'm gonna get one more so I can get that and put another one here so I can make it look at least even. But I don't know, I'll show you maybe from a distance to see what it might look like. I don't know. I think it adds to it. Maybe it doesn't, but I think it does something. So guys, give me some comments. Let me know if it's a 2-year-old mod. It was like $10, but again, it's like mascara, something that is real simple to do, but adds a little extra oomph to it. So I think it kind of adds something to it. Let me know. Like I said, comment and subscribe like always. Max signing out.